Now, the tools that I have used for this repair was a breaker bar, a mallet, a punch screwdriver, a ratchet with a 17mm socket, some vice grips, flathead screwdriver, 19mm to get the lug nuts off, another ratchet with a size 12mm, and obviously the brake pad retractor tool. You don't have to buy anything special. That thing you don't really need. You can use a ratchet with a size 6mm, and then you can put a little bit in there, a Phillips bit. So the reason why I say a ratchet, so you can have a little more leverage when you pull it off. Instead of a screwdriver, you don't have much leverage to take that little rotor screw off. And today we're working on a Honda Civic, mostly any year, any model Honda is going to be the same thing. We're replacing the front brakes and rotors. So we're going to go ahead and remove the wheel, which takes a 19mm. Take off the wheel, take a 12mm, take off the brackets, and use something to hold it with. That's one. So we get the piston off, and then we take the brake pads out, put them on the side, the old clips, take those out. Now I'm going to put this in the back so it doesn't hang. Now we take out the caliper bolts, which is a 17mm. That's one. That's two. Take the bracket off. Now we have the rotor left. For the rotor, it's always best to use one of these tools because you have these two Phillips screws that you gotta take off. Usually you want to use a punch, a special punch made for this. When you hammer it in, you would unscrew it until, this one's actually, we don't need it. This one came off easy. But usually what this tool is, and it's going to be in the description below, it's a punch that's made for, especially with Hondas and Acuras, where when you hit it here, you would actually turn maybe a millimeter, maybe 2mm to the left, and then you can change rotation by turning this piece, and then it would turn the other way to tighten it. So, but we don't need this in this case because it comes off very easy. And it comes with two bolts. Take both of those off, just like so, and you pull the rotor. Let's hold it. There you go. Rotor's off. Put it to the side. Make sure you don't bend one of these. When you get the new rotor, obviously you want to use brake clean to clean it off and putting it back together. So put the two bolts back. That's one. That's two, and we tighten them. So don't tighten one right away. You want this to stand in flush. One, two. Now we're putting the back to back. Same thing, reverse. One bolt. Put the second bolt. And we're going to go back to our 17mm. Tighten those. Usually you're supposed to torque this, but I've done so many that I just do it by hand. We'll put the new mounting hardware. That's one. And that's the other. Now we'll put the brake pads. That's one. That's the other. Take the caliper. Take one of the old pads. We'll put it inside here. Take the brake caliper tool. Place it inside here. And before we push it, we open the hood. What we did there was open the hood and take the cap off the brake fluid. So we'll push it in. We don't have any buildup pressure. And then we just tighten it down all the way. Take it off. Look at that. Now we can put the caliper back on. Push the two pins. And use the two bolts to tighten it back. And we put the wedge good so we can tighten it. Put on the top part. Like that. Just like so. And take the hubcap, just like so. We'll put the bolts back on. That's one. That's two. 3, 4, 5, 5. And we're done on this side. After you have completed both sides, the left driver's side and the right passenger side wheel, you just go back to the engine compartment and you close back the cap. Close the hood, and then you go for a test drive. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of how-to's video to save you the big bucks. Once again, have a good one. See you on the next one.